How to add task in a current project. So we are in project section now. We will create a new project, name bot application. So we'll create project. So we have this bot application. We will go in that. Now we will add like some templates. So we'll use this template. New in development, done and refused. So we'll add task here. Front end, let's say front end development assigned to a person. Add. See, the new task is assigned to Bhuvaneshwar now. This is how we can add task in a current project.